in for your flight, we kindly remind everyone to help keep the cabin a safe and respectful space for all. To protect the privacy of everyone, please avoid taking photos or videos of your fellow passengers and your cabin crew without permission. Hinihiling po namin ang inyong pakikiisa sa pagpapanatili ng kaligtasan at respeto sa loob ng ating eroplano upang mapangalagaan ang privacy ng bawat isa. Mangyari pong iwasan ang pagkuha ng litrato o video ng inyong kapwa pasahero at ng cabin crew nang walang pahintulot. Hello everyone, this is Ange and together with my team, Kat, Juliana, Brian and Vince, welcome aboard Cebu Pacific, making first moments happen with you. We are now ready to depart for Butuan. In command of the aircraft is Captain Gian Paula Nieves, and we assisted by First Officer Norris Gayoti. Our flight time is approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes. Ang lipad na ito ay pinangungunahan ni Kapitan Gian Paulo Anyevas sa tulong ni unang opisyal Norris Byron T. Tayo po ay lilipad na humagit kumulang 1 oras at 15 minuto. At this moment, please direct your full attention to your cabin crew who will now demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt to fasten push ends together, tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end, to unfasten lift up of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Tool tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, full inflation can to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tube. Blow to increase air and push fin inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that the unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, put the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exit. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide ramp. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exit. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. Due to the potential risk of fire associated with lithium-ion batteries and damage to your portable electronic devices, we request that you remove all charging cables from the in-seat powered outlet during taxi, takeoff, and landing. In addition, please do not charge any electronic devices, including power banks, during this time. We are about to take off. Please straighten up your seats. Fasten seatbelt securely. Keep window shades open and tray cables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is also prohibited by the Philippine Civil Aviation Regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets from primitive battery or charger. These safety protocols are meant to ensure compliance with the existing regulations and to provide security and a pleasant experience in flight. Your safety and comfort are our utmost priority. We wish everyone an enjoyable flight. Once again, for your flight information, this is 53787 bound for Butuan. Welcome aboard.
Sir, pa-fold na po na table. Sorry, kindly remove your charger, please. That's your seatbelts. Push forward na lang. Passengers. Kami naman diba? Wala ka si Sir sa ganito. Anak.
Hindi mo kasi
Anak doon. Wala po. Pero ang kuha na ko kay Australia man din. Para sa kaon na. Kuha na sa kagaling sa pag. Tapos yung leader ba yung usap ka? Bahan dito.
Hindi mo naka-record na.
Labi at tayo na kailan sa kami gumising mo yung sa uli nang sumali lagi ay murag pa
Ano sa akin ko na?
Once na ito ang bago nila oo, security. Nanay! Ano, sigulungan daw si Nanay. Pinita na rin ang isa na rin ang pagkakas siya. Niya, pag umitaw ng umitaw, kasastis na niya pang nagawalay laban ko siya. Kaya ang mga natin is, ang yung kawalan natin siya na babae.
In compliance with the civil aviation regulation, your cabin crew will not take their seats prior to takeoff. Also, for your comfort, we shall be dimming the cabin lights for guests reading, eating, or writing. If you wish to use your individual reading lights, you may press the button found on the passenger service unit above you.
Sa Manila, yung pakulit ko ba? Yung pakakakita.
cabin crew to take off stations.